Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning, all of you. Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Good morning,
Then
sir.
all of good morning. Do you have any confusion in any question?
No, sir.
Okay, let's start our exercise. We completed questions up to question number B yesterday. And those were the questions related to proportion. Today we are starting question related to continued proportion. Question number C. These are related to continued proportion. So this is the first question of question number C. Given thing is A by B is equal to B by C. This is given to us and we have to prove A minus B divided by B minus C is equal to root over A square plus B square divided by B square plus C square. So I already said this is the question related to continued proportion. Why I said it? Because this B is repeated here. You may check it. B repeat vacha. त्यसैले continued proportion भन्ने हो. जस्तो C by D हुन्थ्यो यहाँ if it is question related to proportion only. So now in its solution, at first we have to write this given thing. Given thing is A by B is equal to B by C and let it is equal to K. Okay. After taking let A by B is equal to B by C is equal to K, find out value of A as well as value of B. You have to find out these both values. Value of B is CK and value of A is BK. And there is a bit different than the questions of proportion in sense that we have to put value of B again in value of B. Value of B निकालिसकेका हुन्छौं त्यो value फेरि A is equal to BK मा फेरि राख्नु पर्ने हो. At first B is equal to CK, B is equal to CK. From this last equation B by C is equal to K छ, यसबाट B is equal to CK लेख्न मिल्छ. Now A is equal to BK. A is equal to BK. Again, value of B is CK. B को ठाउँमा फेरि CK राख्यौं भने A is equal to CK square हुने भयो. Is this clear to you? At first we calculated value of B only, that is CK. Next one A is equal to BK. Again put value of B, that is CK. CK into K, it is CK square. Is this clear?
Yes,
Okay, if it is clear, let's move to its left hand side. Left hand side is A minus B divided by B minus C. Now we have to put the value of B as well as A, B and this B. These three values we have to put here. So at first, in place of A, there is ck square. In place of B, there is ck. Again, in place of B, ck and minus C. What is common from numerator?
CK.
What will ck is common. So after taking ck common, remaining value in numerator is k minus 1. Similarly, from denominator also c is common. After taking c common, remaining value is k minus 1. K minus from numerator as well as denominator, these are cancelled. K minus 1 as well as k minus 1. Again, c and c are also cancelled. Someone's mic is unmuted. Please mute yourself. Remember that you are in class. What is remaining here now? After cancelling c as well as k minus 1.
K.
Okay, only k is remaining. So this is the final value of left hand side. Now let's move to right hand side. Right hand side is root over a square plus b square divided by b square plus c square. Put values now. Again, value of a as well as b. Value of a is ck square and there is square of it. इसको square से बने whole square करना पड़े. जैसे कि value of b is ck and its square divided by value of b. Again, it is ck its square plus c square. Now supply this square to both. Here c square k power 4 होला त्यसैगरी c square k square and in denominator also c square k square हुन्छ यहाँनिर c square छ. Okay, now it becomes c square k power 4. जो यहाँनिर whole square थियो त्यसले c square k power 4 भयो. c square k square plus c square. Common value in numerator is c square k square. Remaining value is k square plus 1 and c square is common in denominator also. Remaining value is k square plus 1. What is cancelled here now? One value cancelled is c square.
K square plus 1.
And another value cancelled is k square plus 1. So what is remaining inside the square root?
K square.
Root over k square is remaining. Square root of k square is k only. And there is same thing in left hand side also. In this way, left hand side is equal to right hand side is proved. Do you have any confusion in it?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. If you don't have any confusion, then also just look at the process. Actually, your first को process और process सब पे same से यानी different केस है इतनी याद करना पड़ेगा. B is equal to ck and A is equal to ck square. आगे को मैं bk dk मात्र थियो. A is equal to bk, c is equal to dk भन्ने थियो. Up to question number B. Those were the question related to proportion only. But in these question, there are ck as well as ck square. These are the values of A and B. I think there is no confusion now. So let's move to next question related to question number C. Okay, question number 10. Given thing is same, A by B is equal to B by C. Then prove that ABC times A cube minus B cube minus C cube is equal to A cube B cube minus b cube c cube minus c cube a cube. So for this one also, first process is same. Let a by b is equal to b by c is equal to k, and from it we will get b is equal to ck as well as a is equal to ck square. Now take left hand side, abc times a cube minus b cube minus c cube. Put values now. A को value ck square रखो, value of b is ck, again value of a is ck square and there is cube of it. B, value of b is ck and there is cube of it, and c cube remains as it is. Simplify it. C into c into c, c cube, k square into k square, k cube. Again from these all, c cube and c cube, it is common. Bairo ko value c cube k cube bio, and from the value inside the bracket, c cube is common. C cube into c cube, it is c power 6 k cube times k power 6 minus k cube minus 1. If you have confusion, you may ask it to me.
No, sir.
So in right hand side, now there is a cube b cube minus b cube c cube minus c cube a cube. Put values of a as well as b in right hand side also. Value of a is ck square and value of b is ck. Again value of b is ck, c cube remains as it is, value of c cube remains as it is. A cube means ck square cube. Simplify it. C cube k power 6, c cube k cube minus c cube k cube, c cube. In this way we have to simplify it. Now what is common from these all? You can check yourself. In all there is c cube into c cube, c cube into c cube, c cube into c cube, c cube into c cube. That means we can take c power 6 as common. Similarly from all, k cube, and from it also we can take k cube common. Look at this step. This step is clear or not? यो कसरी आयो भन्ने कन्फ्युज होला. फर्स्ट बाट यहाँबाट के बच्यो त k power 6 बच्यो. Let me make it clear. Look at this one. This k power 6 is remaining. Similarly, c power 6 k cube, nothing is remaining means 1 comes from this one. Middle term bata yo 1 aayeko. Last one likhe as to make as like left hand side. And from this one, if k cube is common, 1 k cube is remaining. Yo k cube last term bata aayeko hai. It is clear or not?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. अलिकति arrange गरेर लेखेको छु. Middle term last मा छ -1, last term 3 and k power 6 from 4.
Sir, in minus we can arrange the term, sir. Your term like so side लेख्दा नि हुन्छ.
Where?
Sir, that in last, sir.
Here only?
Yes, sir.
Okay. K power 6 minus 1 minus k cube. That's your choice. That's not a problem. -1 लाई बीचमा लेखेर k cube लाई पछाडी लेखे पनि हुन्छ.
त्यो सर माइनस मा फरक पर्दैन भन्नु खोजेँ सर. त्यस्तो अगाडि पछाडी लेखेको टर्महरु.
Both are minus. दुईटै नेगेटिभ भ्यालुहरु छ. दुईटै यो नेगेटिभ साइन यहाँ लगे पनि त्यही हुने हो. अब एउटा प्लस एउटा माइनस भएको भए पोजिटिभ भ्यालु जुन माइनस छ माइनसै लेख्नु पर्थ्यो, पोजिटिभ भ्यालु यहाँ ल्याएर प्लस लेख्नु पर्थ्यो. बट बोथ आर नेगेटिभ ओन्ली. Okay, so we can write in this way.
Sir, and this solution sir त्यो a equals to b के छ नि सर, त्यसपछि c k into k square कसरी भयो सर त्यहाँनेर?
Here
Yes, sir.
you कसरी आयो भने what is the value of b?
B value CK, sir.
हो त्यही ck राखेको यहाँनिर. In place of b we substituted ck.
Yes, sir. B equals to CK into K equal to
जुन
CK
फर्स्ट मा
square.
b is equal to ck निकालेको थियौं. While discussing question number 1 also I said, okay, just look at this one once again. b is equal to ck, यो त क्लियर छ नि. b is equal to ck. त्यसपछि के आउँछ? a is equal to bk. We will get a is equal to bk, but value of b is ck. यहाँबाट आएको b को भ्यालु ck भएको हुनाले यो यसरी यहाँ लेख्यौं. In place of b,
Yes, sir.
we substituted ck into k. It is ck square. Is this clear now?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
So other process of this question number C are not different than question number A and B. A र B माथि जति पनि क्वेशन गर्यौ A र B मा त्यो र इक्वेशनहरुमा डिफरेन्ट छैन. डिफरेन्ट यहाँनिर मात्रै छ. फर्स्ट स्टेपमा मात्रै डिफरेन्स छ. यो जुन लेट गरिसकेपछि यति यो आयो नि, यति मात्रै डिफरेन्स छ. अदर प्रोसेसेस आर सेम. यसपछिको सबै सेम छ. एलएचएसबाट एउटा भ्यालु निस्किन्छ, आरएचएसबाट अर्को भ्यालु निस्किन्छ. If we get both values equal, then we can say left hand side and right hand side are equal, and it is proved. Okay. Okay. Do you have any confusion again?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So let's move to next step. Left hand side is equal to right hand side is proved, because we get c power 6 k cube times k power 6 minus k cube minus 1 in left hand side, as well as c power 6 k cube times k power 6 minus k cube minus 1 in right hand side also. So let's move to next question now. Question number D. If A by B is equal to B by C is equal to C by D, we have to prove that A cube plus B cube plus C cube divided by B cube plus C cube plus D cube is equal to BC divided by D square. That we have proved. So to prove it, at first, as like in question number C, we have to take, let this value A by B is equal to B by C is equal to C by D is equal to K. Again, look at these steps and be clear about these. यहाँ पनि फेरि अलिकति अझै लेन्दी हुने भयो. फर्स्ट मा के हुन्छ यहाँनिर? C is equal to DK. Are you observing it?
Yes,
Value
sir.
of C is equal to DK. त्यसपछि B is equal to के हुन्छ?
CK.
B is equal to CK. So we have to put value of C. C को value DK निकालिसकेका छौं नि. Value of C is DK, and in next step B is equal to CK. अब यो CK मा फेरि C को value DK put गर्नु पर्यो. Okay. And third one, A is equal to BK. A is equal to BK आउँछ. In place of B, we have to put value from here. यहाँबाट value of B आइसकेको हुन्छ. B is equal to DK square आइसकेको हुन्छ. त्यो DK square फेरि सब्स्टिट्युट गर्नुपर्ने हो A is equal to BK मा. So look at this one. How we have to write? C is equal to DK obtained from last two. C is equal to DK again from second and the last. B by C is equal to K. यसबाट के आउँछ? B is equal to CK आउँछ. But value of C is equal to DK. In place of this C, we have to put DK, and it is DK into K, DK square. Similarly, A is equal to A is equal to bk, and value of b is dk square. dk square. So A is equal to dk square into k, it is dk cube. So in starting phase, you can write in this way: C is equal to dk, B is equal to ck is equal to dk into k, dk square. Similarly, A is equal to bk, in place of b, dk square into k, it is dk cube. And afterward, after practicing many questions, you can write this directly. यो यति लेन्दी त्यसपछि गरि राख्न जरुरत छैन. ओके, यहाँबाट डाइरेक्टली के लेखिदिए पनि हुन्छ. We can write b is equal to dk square. Similarly, A is equal to dk cube. You can write these steps directly also. यो सुरुमा यो कसरी आयो भन्नको लागि यहाँ लेखिदिए हो मैले. So look at left hand side now. After writing these all, left hand side is a cube plus b cube plus c cube divided by b cube plus c cube plus d cube. Put values of a, b and c in numerator a, b and c and denominator b and c. Value of a is dk cube, value of b is dk square, value of c is dk. Again, value of b को value dk square है, value of c is dk. Simplified, d cube k power 9, d cube k power 6, d cube k cube divided by d cube k power 6, d cube k cube plus d cube आउँछ. Are you observing it? कसरी आयो? Power of power is always
Yes,
multiplied. 3 to the 9. Similarly, 3 to the 6. d cube k cube. Now to cancel out this value in denominator, we can take k cube common from all of the numerator. Common तो धेरै लिए पनि हुन्छ, d cube k cube पुरै common लिए पनि हुन्छ. Okay, d cube k cube common लिनु पर्यो, denominator of d cube common छ. Then also you can cancel, or simply by taking k cube we may cancel out the terms. So if k cube is taken as common, k power 9 बाट k power 6 बच्यो, d cube remains as it is. K power 6 from it, if k cube is taken common, remaining value is k cube. From last one, if k cube is common, remaining value is d cube only. Now value on numerator and denominator both are same to each other. Okay, these are cancelled. If these are cancelled, what is remaining for us?
K cube.
Yes, k cube is remaining value. So left hand side's final value is k cube. After getting it, look at right hand side. Right hand side is bc by d square. Put value of b and c. Value of b is dk square and value of c is dk. So d are cancelled by d square. D square means 2 d's. दुईटा d हरू cancel भयो. K cube into k, it is, sorry, k square into k, it is k cube. So we get k cube in left hand side as well as k cube in right hand side also. So left hand side and right hand side are equal and it is proved. It is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
As for clear or as for not?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Others also? If you have any confusion in any line, you may ask it to me.
No confusion.
Yes?
No
Any
confusion.
Okay. Okay, if there is no confusion, let's move to next question. So look at this one, question number D, question number 10. So what we have to do at first while solving it?
First, taking out the value of A, B, and C, D.
Yes, as like last question, A by B is equal to B by C is equal to C by D is equal to K. And from it, we will get C is equal to DK, B is equal to DK square, and A is equal to DK cube. कसरी आयो भन्ने अघि पनि डिस्क्राइब गरिसक्यौ हामीले, isn't it? So now look at left hand side, put values of A, B, and C. Value of A is DK cube, DK cube. Value of B, DK square. Value of C, DK. Again, value of B, DK square. Value of C, DK. What is common from first three?
D.
Yes,
D is common.
D, only D is common.
K also, sir.
D and K.
DK is common. From last one,
D is
Last
common.
one, D only, sir.
okay. So if DK is common, remaining value inside the first term is K square minus K minus 1. First expression, and in second expression, second factor, remaining value is K square minus K minus 1. Now what we can take out from square root? Square root बाट बाहिर के ल्याउन मिल्छ? Yes, please. We can
K
take
square
out from
minus K.
K square minus K minus 1. There are two terms, so we can take one term out. Similarly, which other two values are there inside square root? एउटा त यो छ, K square minus
And then
K
another one,
minus
sir.
another one,
D.
D as well as there is another D. So we can take these values outside the square root. Okay. D comes out of square root as well as K square minus K minus 1 comes out. Remaining inside is K only. एउटा K मात्रै बच्यो, root over K. So this is the final value of left hand side. Now go to right hand side. Right hand side is root over AB minus root over BC minus root over CD. So can you do it now?
Yes, sir.
Complete it and show it to me. Right hand side. If you want to do screen share by clicking photo, I'll stop my screen share. यस्तै आउँछ कि आउँदैन हेर्नु पर्यो. If you will finish the solution of right hand side, just raise your hand. Solve this right hand side. If you will finish it, raise your hand. Okay, I am waiting for your response. Try to do it faster as much as possible. Either you may show your solution through your camera. If done, so how many of you have completed?
Sir, what was the value of RHS?
Value of RHS is D times K square minus K minus 1 times root over K.
D times K square minus
K square minus K minus 1 bracket closed and root over K.
yes, sir.
Did you get the same?
I'm doing, sir.
You may observe on screen. D times K square minus K minus 1 root over K. Are you observing book on your screen? Oh, time is less than 1 minute and no one is able to show me the solution. Do it fast. So look at these two questions also. Two more questions are remaining. That means question number E and F. A, B, and C are in continued proportion. That means A by B is equal to B by C. We have to say let that is equal to K, and then it is left hand side, another is right hand side. Similarly, A, B, C, D, E, and F are in continued proportion. Means A by B is equal to B by C is equal to C by D is equal to D by E is equal to E by F, and then let that is equal to K. And you have to do that after finding the value of A, B, C, D, E. Okay.